जनरल रॉबर्ट क्लाइव 1757 से 65, 1765 से 67. William Pitt called him heaven-born general. First governor of Bengal Presidency. Arrived in India as a writer clerk for East India Company at Fort St. George, Madras. Captured Arcot 1751 during Second Carnatic War against French. Escaped to Fort St. David, Cuddalore when Dupleix captured Madras. Treaty of Alinagar 9 February 1757 between Clive and Siraj-ud-Dowlah after Siraj had captured Calcutta, renaming as Alinagar, leading to Black Hole incident. Clive and Watson from Madras recaptured it after Battle of Baj December 56, defeating Manik Chand, the Nawab governor in Calcutta near Hooghly. All trading privileges restored as granted by Farooq Siyar Farman 1717. British could fortify Calcutta. Fort William recaptured on January 2, 1757. East India Company could mint own coin in Bengal and duty-free trade. British recaptured French settlement of Chandranagore, further weakening Nawab potential allies. Defeated Siraj-ud-Dowlah in Battle of Plassey 23 June 1757 by conspiring with Mir Jafar. Jagat Seth Ami Chand received 24 Pargana as personal Jagir from Mir Jafar, becoming landlord of the company. Defeated Dutch in Battle of Chinsura 1759, ending Dutch ambition in India. Two term as Governor General 1757 से 60, 1765 से 67. Treaty of Allahabad 12 अगस्त 1765 signed after Battle of Buxar. Battle of Buxar 22 अक्टूबर 1764. Commander Hector Munro, Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II granted Diwani right revenue collection of Bengal, Bihar, Orissa to company. In return, he got 26 lakh annually plus Allahabad and Kara Nawabad. Shuja-ud-Dowlah 50 lakh in bar indemnity and Awadh was made a buffer state. Dual government 1765 से 72. Diwani revenue held by company. Power without responsibility. Nizamat administration by Nawab. Responsibility without power. Appointed Naib Diwan. Raja Khan in Bengal, Sitabra in Bihar to collect revenue, lead to Great Bengal famine of 1770. Warren Hastings abolished in 1772. East India Company servant had to sign covenant contract promising not to accept bribe or private trade. Formed Society of Trade 1765. Established monopoly on salt, betel nut, tobacco to compensate official, but abolished due to corruption. Credit with creating covenanted civil service. Abolished double bhatta, field allowance for military officers during peace time, leading to White Mutiny 1766 by European officers. Committed suicide in England 1774 due to depression and corruption charged by parliamentary inquiry. 1772. Opium addiction, kidney stone. His successor J. Holwell in 1760 temporary charge. Henry Bentley Start 1760 से 64. Deposed Mir Jafar and installed Mir Qasim in 1760. Harry Burles 1767 से 69. Bengal famine 1770 during John Cartier 69 से 72. Warren Hastings became first Governor General of Bengal in 1772. Warren Hastings 72 से 85. First Governor General of Bengal under Regulating Act 1773. Arrived in India as a writer clerk. In East India 1750 served as British President at Murshidabad after Battle of Plassey. Abolished dual government of Clive. Reduced Nawab's pension from 32 lakh to 16 lakh. Shifted treasury from Murshidabad to Kolkata 1772. Introduced Ijardari system 1772. Revenue collection right to highest bidder. 5-year settlement. Established Board of Revenue in Calcutta to supervise collection. Established Diwani civil and Faujdari criminal adalat in every district. Created Sadar दीवानी अदालत, सदर निजामत अदालत as a apex court in Calcutta. Set up Supreme Court Judicature at Fort William 1774 with Elijah MP as first Chief Justice. Abolish Dastak free passage to stop local trade exploitation. Standardized 2.5% duty for all merchants, both Indian and European. Assisted the Awadh Nawab Shujaudullah in Rohilla War 1774 against Rohilla. The Afghans settled in Rohilla, northwest UP. Treaty of Salbai concluded. First Anglo-Maratha War 1775 Treaty of Mangalore ended. Second Anglo-Mysore War 1784. Treaty of Porindar 1776 with Maratha founded Calcutta Madras 1781 for Islamic law. Assisted William Jones in Asiatic Society of Bengal 1784. Charles Wilkins English translation of Bhagavad Gita. Accused of judicial murder of Raja Nand Kumar 1775. Accused Hastings of accepting bribe of rupees 3.5 lakh from Mani Begum, widow of Mir Jafar. Hastings alleged Nand of forgery. Elijah MP, childhood friend of Hastings, heard the case first time. An Indian of high status, Diwan for Nawab of Bengal, hanged by British judicial system. SC applied English law to declare capital punishment for forgery, despite Indian law considered a minor offence. Chat Singh, Raja of Banaras, British suzerainty in 1775, requiring to pay a fixed annual tribute to East India Company. Hastings demanded additional 5 lakh and then 50 lakh, and house arrested Chat Singh. Local rebelled. Hastings fly to Chunar Fort. Raja exiled to Gwalior. Nephew Narayan Singh installed to the throne. Faced impeachment in England 1787 से 95. Led Edmund Burke for corruption and high-handedness regarding Begum and Awadh. Chat Singh but acquitted of all charges in 1795. Regulating Act 1773, amending Act 1781, East India Act 1784 during his time. Lord Cornwallis served at Yorktown during American War of Independence 1786 से 93 तक. 1786 से 93. First to hold power of both Governor General and CIC. Cornwallis Court 1793 separated revenue, judicial administration, collected judicial power transferred to civil judge. Permanent settlement 1793. Bengal, Bihar, Orissa Zamindar as owner of land if continue to pay land revenue plus sunset. 110 revenue to Zamindar or 1011 to government. Judiciary established personal court of appeal at Calcutta, Dhaka, Murshidabad and Patna. Abolished court fee. Reorganized civil and criminal court hierarchy. District court 4 provincial court of appeal. Sadar Diwani Adalat, better treatment of prisoner. Established rule of law and formal legal procedure. Vakil are to be trained. Father of Indian civil service. Increased salary to reduce corruption, making them highest paid civil servant in world. Deserve all high ranking post of for European. Strict rule against private trade and bribe. Police relief Zamindar and police duty. Established a regular police force. Divided district into Thana headed by Indian Daroga. 1791 conflict. Defeated Tipu in Third Anglo-Mysore War 1790 से 92. Tipu ceded half of his kingdom in Treaty of Srirangpatna 1792. Second term 1805 but died in Gazipur, UP 1905. His tomb in Gazipur. Only Gigi to be buried in India. Sanskrit College Banaras 1791 by Jonathan Duncan for Hindu law and philosophy. John Sword 1793 से 98. Revenue member under Warren Hastings. Served as revenue commissioner in Bihar before becoming Gigi. policy of non-intervention with princely estate avoided war and expansion. He only intervened in Awadh to place Saadat Ali Khan to the throne. Permanent settlement 1793. Intellectual brain and primary planner through Cornwallis. Officially introduced, extended to Banaras, wanted 10-year settlement first, but Cornwallis made permanent. Charter Act 1793. Company rule extended for 20 साल. Jiji authority strengthened. Battle of Kharda 1795 में conflict with Nizam of Hyderabad and Maratha. So he refused help to Nizam despite being British ally. Maratha defeated Nizam due to non-intervention. British lost influence in Deccan region, given title Lord Teignmouth after return to England.